In the last 10 years, we've taken the science and we looked at how do you evolve people fast. People say that the leadership level can go 1 or 2 levels up in their entire lifetime. We're looking, can the leadership level go up in a year or two with time compression. There has always been the conventional thing of how leaders win people's hearts. Leadership is not a technique or things you teach. It's about the leader in you. It's who you are as a person. Winning Heart is the only program in the world that is focusing on the leader. It's not focusing on leadership techniques. All leaders become better leaders in 10 or 20 years. How do you help a person compress that time to a year or two? It focuses on breaking free from the lid. If you're lid 4, how do you go to lid 5, lid 6, lid 7, lid 8, lid 9, lid 10, and keep increasing your excellence to personal evolution. You change and you evolve and you naturally become a person who leads people, become a leader of people. And then you become a leader of leaders. And then you become a leader who builds and leads leaders. And then you become a leader who builds leaders, Then you become revolutionary. And I don't think there is a program in the world that has ever attempted to do this.
Winning Heart, advanced leadership and conversational programming for legendary impact.